What's up today about the slime? Time to unwrap it. Hey guys, did you know what? Today, when my mom was picking up from school, she did not bring an umbrella. So I got a free shower today. Got it open. I'm so excited. Okay, I got the slime. Time to see if it glows in the dark. Okay, wait. Okay, wait, I can't. Wait. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go under here and see it glows in the dark. Oh my god, I really love this slime. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.